Stand on various issues, catch another round of the complex presidential debates where 9 out of the 10 candidates will answer pressing questions on government accountability, foreign relations, safety, and security. That's this Sunday, April 3rd at 7 in the evening. Don't miss out on our pre-debate special hosted by yours truly at 6:30 in the evening on the same night, only here on CNN Philippines. President Duterte is still not backing any presidential candidate for the May 9 polls. He made the announcement in a speech in Lapu-Lapu City Thursday night. This is contrary to the stand of his own party, the PDP Laban, which has endorsed the candidacy of Bongbong Marcos and running mate Sara Duterte. Here's the president in his own words.
Let me reiterate, andito man ang media, I am not supporting any presidential candidate. Neutral ako. So this is not a campaign because I am not campaigning for any particular candidate. So stop with me. Kasi hindi ito politika. Wala akong... Siyempre, andito ako, mamagandang loob ako.